Hi there, welcome to AMPPS. In this video I will show you how to install AMPPS on Windows. Make sure you have active internet connection. To install AMPPS, please go to ampps.com. Now, let's go to the Downloads page. Click on the Download button, under the Windows section of the page. Enter your email and subscribe to our newsletter to receive AMPPS-related news and updates. The download time might differ based on the speed of your internet connection. Since this video is for Windows, we are downloading the Windows installer. If you are using macOS, please refer to the Installing AMPPS on macOS video from the upper right corner. After the download completes, open the exe file to start the installation process. Click on the Run Anyway button. This will open the AMPPS installation wizard. Click the Next button and follow the steps. Now that AMPPS is installed, it will download and install few applications like PHP, Apache, MySQL and Softaculous. Click the Continue button to download the apps. While apps are being installed, please do not click Cancel or close the window. Apps installation time might differ based on the speed of internet connection. You can start, stop or restart services by a single click from AMPPS. Congratulations, AMPPS is successfully installed. You can now create PHP files in the www folder, and access them from the browser using localhost. We created a file with PHP info in www folder and we can now access it from localhost. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and informative videos.